all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git, how to add new file in Git. Okay, so let's get started. Like, you just create your first local Git repo. Okay, that is empty. Okay, so let add some file or create new file using a favorite text editor. Okay, so they have taken HTML. Okay, text editor. So now you will see simple, they have written HTML. Okay, HTML head, title, hello world, head is closed now, body, hello world, and this is my first file. So one HTML file they have created and save is index.html. So now in the terminal, in the command prompt, we will write ls index.html. ls is a list of file in the directory. So now you will able to see the file. Okay, because there you have saved, so that file is there. Now you have to check the git status. Okay, on branch master no commit here, untracked file, use git add dot to include in what you have will be committed. We have created one file that is there, but it is not committed, it is in local. Okay, so how we will add? Now Git is aware of this file but has not added it to your repository. File in your Git repository folder can be in two states, tracked and untracked. Tracked means Git know about and are added to the repository, but we have not done it. Okay, so it is untracked file that in your working directory but not added to the repository. When you first add file to an empty repository, that all are untracked. Like this we have untracked. Okay, then get to track them and you need to stage them and then to the staging environment. That I will be telling you. How to check the status? I know this way. Get status. This is the correct. Okay, so we will next lecture we will see the staging. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please do comment. Okay, please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you, bye bye.